You've been told a lie. The lie is that knowing how to use ChatGPT makes your business AI-powered. It doesn't. While you and your marketing team are busy asking AI to write a blog post in a friendly tone, your biggest competitor is using a completely different class of AI, a secret class of AI. They're not using it to create content. They're using it to decode your customers' brains. They're using it to find out exactly why people really buy, what price they're really willing to pay, and what hidden features will make them switch from you to them. For the next 5 days, I'm exposing their playbook. This is part 1, the customer's brain decoder.
You've been told a lie. The lie is that knowing how to use ChatGPT makes your business AI-powered. It doesn't. While you and your marketing team are busy asking AI to write a blog post in a friendly tone, your biggest competitor is using a completely different class of AI, a secret class of AI. They're not using it to create content. They're using it to decode your customers' brains. They're using it to find out exactly why people really buy, what price they're really willing to pay, and what hidden features will make them switch from you to them. For the next 5 days, I'm exposing their playbook. This is part 1, the customer's brain decoder. If I asked you right now, what do your customers really want? What would you say? You'd probably say, they want more features, or they want a lower price. And how do you know that? Maybe you looked at a survey dashboard. You saw a pie chart. 42% of users say the price is too high. This is where 99% of businesses stop. They see that 42% and immediately run to a meeting to discuss lowering the price. But the winning 1%, they ask a different question. They ask, why? Why did they say the price was too high? Is it really too high? Or did they just not understand the value? Did the onboarding fail? Did they get confused? What specific words did they use when they were complaining to their friend about it? That is the data that builds empires. The problem is that data isn't in a pie chart. It's buried. It's buried inside 50 hours of customer interviews. It's inside 10,000 angry support tickets. It's hidden in thousands of open-ended survey answers. We call this qualitative data, and businesses have been drowning in it for decades. It's messy, it's unstructured, and analyzing it manually is a soul-crushing nightmare. So, we just don't. We guess. We use our gut feeling. Well, your gut feeling is about to be made obsolete. This is Insight 7. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. This is one of the secret tools that venture capital firms are quietly using to analyze the market before they invest millions. Most people see a tool like this and think, oh, cool, a transcription service. It turns my Zoom calls into text. That is the obvious use. That's not where the magic is. The secret strategy is to stop thinking of this as a transcriber and start thinking of it as a customer truth engine. We're going to build one right now. First, you need the raw material. You're going to gather every unstructured conversation you have with your customers. I'm talking about the 20 video recordings from your latest user research calls, the 500-row CSV file of all open-ended survey answers, an export of the last 10,000 angry support tickets where a customer was marked as unhappy. You are gathering the raw, unfiltered voice of the customer.
Now, you upload all of this raw data, videos, audio files, text, spreadsheets, into a single project. In the background, the AI is doing more than just transcribing. It's analyzing the sentiment. It's identifying keywords. It's tagging who is speaking. It's processing everything. Okay? Done. What we have now is a single, searchable database of your customers' brains. But we're not done. This is where the magic begins. We are now going to interrogate this brain. The obvious prompt to use here is summarize these calls. That's weak. We're going to use a strategic prompt. Watch. I'm typing, act as a world-class product marketing expert. Analyze all transcripts provided. I want you to identify only 3 things. Hidden buying triggers. These are the specific emotional moments or aha moments that turned a prospect into a paying customer. Key objections and blockers. These are not just feature requests. These are the core fears or points of confusion that stop someone from buying. And unmet needs. These are the I wish it could just statements. The problems they have that they don't even realize you could solve. We hit enter. And just like that, the signal emerges from the noise. You see, you thought your problem was price. But the AI report, pulling from 15 different interviews, just proved your real problem is your onboarding. Look, the AI found that 12 out of 20 customers used the exact same phrase. I was excited, but then I got lost on the dashboard and just left. They didn't say the price was too high. They said they got lost. They never reached the aha moment. They never felt the value. So when you ask them about the price, of course they said it was too high. The price for anything you don't use is too high. You were about to waste 6 months in meetings to lower your price, when your real problem was a 10-minute fix to your onboarding flow. You see the power of this? Let's take it deeper. I worked with a SaaS company that was getting ready to build a massive new AI feature, a project that would cost $250,000. We stopped them. We took their last 100 sales calls, fed them into this truth engine, and ran the analysis. The AI found that the AI feature was mentioned by 3 customers. But a different topic, the slowness of their main dashboard, was mentioned 87 times. Customers were using words like sluggish, frustrating, I'm waiting for it to load, I went to get coffee. The dev team was blind to this. They were used to it. But for new customers, it was a conversion killer. The company killed the $250,000 AI feature. They spent 1 week optimizing the dashboard speed. Their free trial to paid conversion rate doubled. Okay, I have to pause here. Do you see the power of this? This is the real difference. If you're finding this level of strategy valuable and you want to learn how to actually use AI for your business, not just the surface level tricks, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. This is part 1 of a 5-part series, and what I'm showing you tomorrow will literally feel like an illegal spy tactic. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's get back to it. This tool isn't just for tech companies. If you're an e-commerce store, feed it all your 1-star reviews. It will tell you the real reason people are returning products. If you're a course creator, feed it the comments from your community. It will write the marketing for your next course for you, using your students' exact words. If you're a service agency, feed it your client kickoff calls. It will find the real anxieties your clients have before they even sign with you. This is the new advantage. It's not about who has the biggest team.
It's about who has the deepest, fastest understanding of the customer. While your competitors are spending their time in meetings guessing what to do next, you'll be spending your time acting on the truth. That was tool number 1. Tomorrow, in part 2, I'm going to show you how to build a 24/7 digital spy that watches your competitors' every move and uses AI to tell you their strategy before they even launch it. You don't want to miss this.